The electric truck revolution has finally hit the road. But is the Tesla Semi the game-changing choice the world has been waiting for? After years of hype, endless delays, and skepticism, it's time for the real question. Will Tesla's big leap into the electric trucking world leave traditional diesel giants in the dust? Is the Tesla Semi the revolutionary game-changer in the electric trucking world? After 8 years of anticipation and numerous delays, the Tesla Semi is finally hitting the roads. Recently spotted on multiple major highways across California, it features a drastically different design than anything we've seen before. But here's the burning question. Is this the electric truck the market has been waiting for? Are we finally witnessing the arrival of the much-anticipated Gen 2 version? Or is the Tesla Semi still stuck in a testing phase? And more intriguingly, why is Tesla even pushing a Gen 2 when the Gen 1 version hasn't even been mass-produced yet? If you're excited to dive into the latest Tesla Semi updates, hit that like button. It lets the algorithm know you're a loyal viewer and ensures you'll be the first to hear all the newest Tesla news. Welcome to Road Zone Reviews. How has Tesla tackled the battery and range challenge? The current Tesla Semi boasts a massive 1000 kWh battery pack, providing an impressive estimated range of about 500 miles on a full charge. On paper, that positions the Semi as a promising zero-emissions solution for long-haul trucking. But here's the real question. Is that range even necessary? In Europe and many other regions, strict driving time regulations, like the 4.5-hour limit followed by a mandatory 45-minute break, mean trucks rarely approach that 500-mile range in a single run. With speed caps around 50 mph, most trucks only cover around 200. So carrying around such a huge battery might be a bit excessive, wasting resources, adding unnecessary weight, and increasing costs. Understanding this, Tesla has started to diversify its offering. In recent tests and public statements, they revealed plans for a short-range version of the Semi, featuring a 500 kWh battery designed for domestic routes and lighter transport tasks, with an estimated range of 300 to 310 miles. This version isn't just built for shorter hauls. It's designed to lower upfront costs and minimize operational expenses like charging and maintenance. It's also Tesla's way of responding to the European dominance of Volvo and Mercedes, who are already offering electric trucks with ranges of 370 miles, Volvo, and 310 miles, Mercedes. Tesla's revised strategy isn't about being the truck with the longest range. It's about providing the most practical solution that meets the real-world needs of trucking companies. This marks a significant strategic shift for Tesla as it gears up for mass production by the end of this year. Meanwhile, Volvo and Mercedes continue to dominate the European electric truck space, offering models with ranges of 600 km, Volvo, and 500 km, Mercedes. Tesla's ability to compete will depend on cost optimization and operational efficiency. Tesla Semi Gen 2, focusing on design or practicality. One of the most debated aspects of the Tesla Semi is the driver's seat, which is positioned in the center of the cabin, a design not commonly seen in commercial trucks. Elon Musk once explained that this central placement improves visibility, reduces blind spots, and creates better driving balance. However, veteran drivers have raised objections, claiming the central seat makes getting in and out of the vehicle more difficult and doesn't align with professional driving habits. It seems Tesla is listening to this feedback. Recent images from the production line suggest that a new version of the Semi might feature a more flexible cabin, allowing the driver's seat to be either central or positioned on the left side, depending on market requirements. This shift shows Tesla moving from a technology-first approach to one more focused on user-centered design, an essential step for succeeding in the highly practical world of commercial transportation. What if the next evolution in trucking isn't just about going farther, going smarter, but going smarter? Beyond the driver's seat, the Tesla Semi's design is also evolving. Updates to components like headlights, mirrors, and overall aerodynamics have been made since the prototype was revealed in 2017. Driver assistance systems, such as sensors, radar, and cameras, have been integrated more seamlessly, paving the way for the potential inclusion of a full self-driving system in the future. Tesla has not confirmed whether FSD will be included in the standard package. The hardware is ready for potential upgrades, which could be a strategic advantage as the market shifts from focusing on range to maximizing productivity. What's the price of the Tesla Semi? Tesla has not officially announced the exact commercial price for the Semi, but it's expected to range between $180,000 and $200,000, depending on whether it's equipped with a 500 kWh or 1000 k battery pack. While the price might seem steep, Tesla claims that operational costs over 3 years will be lower than a comparable diesel truck due to savings on fuel and maintenance. This is a key selling point for logistics companies and offers a strong reason to consider electric fleets. Tesla's infrastructure and operational readiness. Even if the Tesla Semi meets all its technical targets, one question remains. Is the current charging infrastructure ready to support an electric trucking revolution? As of now, the answer is no. The answer is actively addressing this challenge. With a battery size up to 1000 kWh, fast charging the Semi demands ultra-high power far beyond what existing stations designed for passenger vehicles can provide. To overcome this, Tesla is rolling out the Megacharger, a dedicated charging system for heavy-duty trucks capable of delivering up to 1 megawatt of power. This allows the Semi to fully recharge in about 30 to 45 minutes, aligning with federally mandated driver rest breaks. Do you think Tesla's focus on future-proofing the Semi with self-driving tech will make it the ultimate game-changer in logistics? Or is it just another risky bet? The first megachargers are being installed at Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory and along key freight routes. Additionally, Tesla is working with logistics companies to build a dedicated network of megachargers at distribution centers. However, another issue is the cost of electricity, which can vary dramatically depending on location. To tackle this, Tesla is exploring a model combining solar power and battery storage at charging stations to reduce grid strain and keep energy costs in check. While this is a long-term plan, it could make the Tesla Semi not only more environmentally friendly, but also more economically viable. Why aren't truck drivers fully sold on the Tesla Semi? Despite the advancements, some truck drivers still have reservations about the Tesla Semi. A veteran trucker shared, "I've hauled everything across the US. Trucks have come a long way, but it's not just about technology. It's about the lifestyle of the driver. The issue is not only motor power or battery size, but whether the truck can truly support the work routines and lifestyle of those spending long hours on the road." Tesla has made efforts to design a modern cab with optimized climate control, ample space, and a large digital display. However, some drivers still find the centrally positioned seat challenging, particularly when entering or exiting the cabin or during communication at rest stops. The bigger issue? Many drivers leave the profession due to poor working conditions, limited rest areas, poor bathroom access, and intense pressure to drive long hours without adequate breaks. While Tesla's Semi can recharge quickly with the Megacharger system, if charging locations don't offer amenities like food and rest facilities, it won't be enough. Tesla is addressing this by pairing Megacharger stations with improved rest stops. But the scale needs to be much larger. Truckers need more than advanced technology. They need a supportive, human-centered environment that makes long hauls easier and safer. Tesla Semi versus traditional diesel trucks. With nearly 8 years of anticipation, the Tesla Semi is finally making its debut, and its performance has already caught the attention of legacy manufacturers like the Mack Anthem, an iconic American diesel truck, has a much slower acceleration time, taking over 60 seconds to reach 60 mph under full load, while the Tesla Semi achieves that in just 20 seconds, even with an 82,000 lb load. Tesla's design focuses on energy efficiency, featuring a sleek, aerodynamic shape with a drag coefficient of just 0.36, which outperforms many sports cars. By contrast, the Mack Anthem has a drag coefficient between 0.65 and 0.70. Tesla's superior aerodynamics help reduce energy consumption, extending the range and lowering operational costs. Tesla's safety features and future of FSD. The Tesla Semi is loaded with advanced safety features, including enhanced autopilot, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and traction control to prevent jackknifing. These systems are proactive, aimed at preventing accidents before they occur. Mack Trucks, on the other hand, offers more reactive systems like Bendix Wingman Fusion for collision mitigation. While these are advanced, they still don't match the proactive approach Tesla is taking. As for pricing, while the Tesla Semi starts around $180,000, US buyers can benefit from up to a $40,000 tax credit, reducing the price to $140,000 for the 500-mile version. In comparison, the Mack Anthem starts at around $100,000 for day cabs and can go beyond $140,000 for sleeper versions. In terms of operational costs, the Tesla Semi offers massive savings. Diesel trucks consume around 34 gallons to cover 200 miles, which cost $169.20 at $4.99 per gallon. The Tesla Semi, by contrast, uses only $28 in electricity for the same journey. Over time, these savings could be substantial. Conclusion: the road ahead for electric trucking as driver fatigue continues to be a growing issue in the trucking industry. The Tesla Semi presents a solution not only in terms of cost savings, but also safety. It costs $261,000 less per mile to operate compared to traditional diesel trucks. With energy-efficient and cost-effective technology, the Semi is a serious contender to disrupt the logistics industry. But as electric trucks like the Tesla Semi take over, how will traditional trucking jobs and logistics companies adapt to this new finally so? How do you think the Tesla Semi will shake up the world of long-haul trucking? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest Tesla news. we've got even more exciting updates coming your way.